like the speed of sound. He can keep on the ground.
Oh, hi, kids. My name is Elmo.
Say, I want your asshole.
I want your asshole. My name is Elmo. Yeah.
You're the most fucked up human being that I've ever seen in my entire
A,
life.
B, C, D, fuck you up. The voice.
I took off for school!
Where to go for
Do your dolphin noise. Do it.
I did it. I just did it.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
That was not the dolphin noise.
Hey, stop bitching and take. Oh no. No, I thought. What?
Do the dolphin noise. Yeah, do that. Or that's do that the whole game. See how many people leave our spot. Try and say hello in that voice.
Hello.
Try and talk.
Hi guys. My name is. I think play Battlefield 3.
Say, my name is Shark Eater. Dolphin Boy, the Shark Eater.
My name is Shark Eater.
Say, I'll eat your family.
I'll eat your family. It's hard to do, man.
You said it on the mic, alright.
I'll eat your family.
Gun.
Is that right? You know, my mama always used to tell me that when you have problems, you face them face to face with an AK-47.
The person who gave you a problem.
My mama punched me in the face when I was a kid. I felt really, really sad.
That's terrible because your mother is just upstairs.
She's not upstairs. She's in prison.
Okay, let's try and work on going straight up. Oh my god. Go to third person. Am I on the top?
Yeah.
Let's do this. Oh.
Don't fall on me, man.
Okay, I'm not. Oh wow, it's really hard to just. Okay. Okay, we have a little bird. Kill the knife. You dick.
I wanted to do that for so long.
Fucking ass.
You guys are gonna do a rap battle now, okay?
What?
You're gonna do a rap battle.
Is
Oh,
that right?
ready? Being serious.
Okay.
You go.
Yo, 2014, 2007, 1866. You ready? Let's do this, Chaisson. I'm after you, son. Yeah. I don't even know if you guys can hear me on this, but Chaisson's sing for living. You know, I don't know what to sing because I'm white and French. What am I supposed to say? I don't know. Pretty sure I'm creamy Chaisson right now. I don't have to say much. This is such a cut. I give up.
You know what? I think I'll take it.
Okay, good. Take it.
Okay. Do you want me to go?
Yes. Okay.
Martin, you're like a pasty white Lil Wayne. I feel nothing but pain in my ears. You're torturing them for years. I have to put up with that bullshit that you call rap. I call that nothing but amateur crap.
Oh. Oh. Well, that happened.
Is this something that rages
I
all
better
the time?
school you. I better become a professor. You better learn sexual relations because you're a cross-dresser. Fucking nothing. That's all I have.